Hello, in this video I'm going to take you on a walkthrough of a beautiful project. It's a chalet we purchased in the Swiss Alps in the town of Grindelwald. It's a town that sits under these 4,000-meter mountains. It's got the Jungfrau, the Munch, the Eiger, really beautiful and a crazy view. Now this was a chalet that was built in the beginning of the 1980s, and inside really looked, 1980-ish, and we transformed it. We remodeled it to make it look more like a luxury boutique chalet using wood, stone, beautiful project, loved it. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the chalet and get a sense and share a bit of before and after photos and videos so you can see the transformation we did. And this is a property that we invested in for two reasons. Short-term rental revenue, and we have amazing rental business now with the way it looks, summer and winter, but also capital appreciation, and the value has gone up so much that we're really excited about this project. So I hope you enjoy it. If you're ready, let's go on a little tour. Here we go.
We are on a journey to find real estate deals in places of utmost beauty. We target entry-priced luxury properties that are undervalued, delivering high short-term rental revenue and high capital appreciation. These are what we call Blue Vista properties. We've bought, sold, renovated, or leased high-end properties or land in stunning locations, including the Swiss Alps, Costa Rica, the south of France, Sardinia, Montenegro, or under the blue skies of Florida and Arizona. You don't need to be a multimillionaire to own an amazing home in the most incredible place. Come with us as we explore new locations, develop new projects, explain our methodology, and share the learnings along our journey.
All right, you ready to do a little tour? So this is the entrance. You can see this was just put some stone here because I just felt it was just this raw brick, and you have Chalet M logo right there. So come on in. So this is the entrance hall, and it's just convenient when you come in from skiing and you want to just sit down. You have a place to put your ski boots. You can put them right here. You also have place to put up here. You can put all of your helmets, gloves, and leave your shoes down here. So that's really like a mudroom. It's very convenient. So as we enter into the chalet, I'm just going to close this door here, glass door. You can see what I was talking about earlier, where this is the Sonnegebrannt, so the burnt wood. So I decided to cover some of the walls with this wood. It just warms up, and it's just so beautiful. It has so many lines in it. Just absolutely love it. And then the idea was just go with noble materials. So I decided to use, you can see here, parquet, wooden parquet all throughout. And then you'll see I used some stone around the fireplace in the kitchen. So really kind of looking at these materials. So if we go in, here's first bedrooms. All the bedrooms are pretty similar. So you can see here, kind of choose a style with these beds, look a bit like a hotel bed. Put those lights on the walls, and then you have just some big closet space right here. And they all give off onto the balcony. So you can see here, just right direct, and you can just close the curtains, and you got your privacy. And you can see here, so if I turn there, you got all this closet space. It's like that in all the bedrooms. So I'm gonna walk now. I guess it's easier to walk forward than backwards. I don't know why I was walking backwards. So anyways, I'm gonna go right now into the second bedroom. So you can see here, just kind of same layout. And what's pretty cool here, a different bed style. Look, this big giant petrified wood, so in stone. So I really, I got those from a place, it's a long story, I'll tell the story in another video, in the Netherlands. So here's the bathroom, and so here you'll see I decided to go with the burnt wood look and lighter colors and stone. So if you see here, you can see that you have the unit there, the cabinet, the stone tops, the shower. I'm sorry, you're kind of sticking in there. It's a bit hard to do. And then along the ceiling, you have the LED lights with that burnt wood. So if we're in the shower here, you can see, I guess I could move this little towel, put on the floor. So, and you'll see just, classic, the chrome, the colors. Again, stone, colors, wood. And so if we enter now, here was a little storage area. I decided to make it into a toilet. So you're gonna see here, and what I did is this, you can see this different color of wood. This is that on the north side, north facing, so it's the cold side, so it doesn't have that warm burnt. And you can see I put it up along the ceiling, put some LED lights there along the back, little toilet, and you can have here, you can just see here, a little stone basin, really small, but just works perfectly. All right, so let's go into the living room. So a living room in fireplace. So let me hold this up a little further. I wish I had a selfie stick. This is really annoying, but all right. So fireplace, took a lot of time looking at fireplaces and trying to see what type of fireplace. So designed this after sending multiple ones. You got a sliding glass door. You got those petrified woods there, and then it goes really high up. So you can see it's pretty neat, and it was really not pretty when this whole area with this fireplace was not. So you have this really nice height. And then what you have access to the kitchen. So I put this stone wall here, which matches the stone here at the bottom of the fireplace. So really to give it, and you'll see I also matched it upstairs to give this feeling of just stone. And then this is really cool, I find personally. So right here you got the living room, and just give me 1 second as I hold this a bit differently. There we go. So you can see here the living room, and this is really cool. These are giant beams, and this is a story. It's so this guy in Belgium actually specialized in wood. I bought some of that wood from him, like the dark wood, and this was his father had bought it. They were tearing down old barns in Canada, and his father was traveling in Canada, and he was like, I'm going to buy that old wood. And if you look, you'll see, just give me 1 minute as I approach, you'll see the marks in the wood. And this is because they didn't have chainsaws. So this was all done by hand with axes and a manual tool. So pretty crazy. So if we turn around, you're going to see here. So here, all the windows giving on and on into the balcony all along. It's just amazing. And here you have just giant, massive wood table, seats 10 people. I'll come a bit closer so you can see just the knots of the wood and how thick it is. You can just see there. It's absolutely just love it. And also a really nice story of it's the same guy I bought the petrified wood, a Dutch guy who sells all of these, and these are it's really cool. And they're acacia trees which grow super fast, and they cut them down and then they harvest them and grow them again. They used to put them by roads, but they got too big, so they had to cut them, and then they planted new ones, so it's not coming like from the rainforest. These were actually originally planted trees. So so now we're going to kind of go around, and we're going to turn and look from here. You can see, so here's the sitting area, and here's the kitchen behind me. So I decided to do this big bar area. Originally, I wanted to open up, and in fact, it was the best idea, because in the morning, kids sit here, have their breakfast. When friends come, they sit there, you open up a bottle of wine. It's just fantastic. It's just so nice. And just kind of walking around, taking you through. Sorry, there's a bit of personal stuff here and there. Got some books and stuff out. But so, the countertops, I decided to kind of go with the kind of classic group. So here you see it's a Falcon stove. The countertop, it's Lapitech. I wanted something which is ceramic. I did not want quartz. I didn't want things to be stained, that someone could put something on it. If someone, renter, took a super hot pan. You're not supposed to, but, and then I made sure I wanted just big enough. And you'll see in the style, like the handles of the kitchen, everything kind of modern, but at the same time classic. So just, here I'm in the kitchen. Sorry, you can't really see well, but there is just the gas Falcon. I spent a lot of time looking at what kind of unit I wanted. I wanted dark color, silver, just classic, and their microwave. So that takes you, now let's, we haven't gone downstairs yet. Let's just go and walk outside. It's getting a bit darker. We're in April, so it's kind of, the snow's melted, but it'll just give you a bit of, so just so you get an idea of the view. So here behind me at the balcony, you can just sit all along, it's just huge, and just nothing blocking your view. And if you listen, just birds and the river. Down there you have the big departure of the gondolas. And I'm going to click here so you can see the colors. Yeah, there we go. Couldn't see. Look around. Just crazy. There's the north face of the Eiger, just one of the most beautiful. These lighting just changes every day. Now I'm in the dark here, but it's just incredible. And you have I see people walking right here. You have a beautiful path that goes up. You can go walk up. And we got a little barbecue here in the background. So just this huge terrace just going all the way along. And if you want to walk down, you see this big building right there. That building, that's Terminal. That's where you go up to Kleine Scheidegg to ski or to Männlichen. So it's really, really amazing. I mean, look at that view. And you walk out and you just sit here and you look at this view. It's just crazy. All right, so we're gonna go upstairs. And upstairs is the master bedroom. There's also a children's bedroom. So if you turn here, you're gonna see, and apologies again, I quickly made the bed. Not a great job, but you have here, and here you have much higher ceilings. Again, giving onto the second floor balcony, just looking straight out. And here I broke into, there was a giant closet and I just broke it off and made, and put here some marble, Italian marble. It's absolutely beautiful. I wanted to have a master bedroom. This is probably some of the only structural work. And here I also covered the wall. It was here with the old wood. And then I put a bathtub here. And then if you move a little bit to the left, to put a little toilet, so you'd have an ensuite. And this was just blocked off originally, and I opened it up. It was just a closet, and it just gives you this feeling of just having, you know, your own space. Then on the floor, you also have still, I used to have a little seating area here, but I don't think people really use it, so I moved it. So you have here the bathroom, and you can see here, look at the top, the ceiling. You see, I used this darker wood. So I used a darker wood for the ceiling, a grayish background, gray, that's bluestone, massive bluestone top, and stone sinks. And then you can see here the showers, the same pattern, the same as downstairs. So there's a consistency, but different color. So every bathroom's different, and this bathroom, of course, is larger. And then you have the old wood around the. This one has a toilet inside. And then if you walk here, and it's really bright, you have. So you arrive above the fireplace below, and you arrive here, and there's the just the TV area. I would call it the playroom, TV room, big giant couch to sit, and you could just turn on the TV and watch some movies. And here again, I kept the same stone pattern. So this as below, so there's a continuity from the kitchen, and this was just a like closed off area, and I just turned it into a little bedroom with two small beds, single beds, great for the kids right here. Dual plugs to be able to plug your things in, and I put you'll see here, but put a sliding door. I don't know if you can see, just a big, massive wooden sliding door right there where you can just slide open and close. So there we go. And then of course you can walk right out onto the balcony on this level. And we're in April, so you can see it's a mix of snow and no snow at the bottom, but the slopes are still open. We're 11th of April, and here again, just north face of the Eiger, just incredible, incredible views. And here we have just this large balcony, and you could see right down here, which is straight down the road, that big building there, and the gondolas go up to Kleine Scheidegg, and they go up this way to Männlichen. It's like a 8-minute walk down there. It's pretty amazing. And if you listen, all you hear is birds and the river below. And here's the balcony right here. So let's go down now to the basement. So if we go down into the last level. So on the ground floor, 2 bedrooms, as you saw. And then, so we're gonna go down. And sorry, I'm shaking. I don't have my gimbal. Apologize if you're having to watch me. So I'm gonna walk down the steps and just take you to the basement. So down here, what I decided to do was it was just kind of raw concrete. I decided to add a bathroom. So right in here is just a whole open space. And so you can see here, same concept, decided a style. So here, burnt wood ceiling, and also all out here is the same kind of burnt wood ceiling with the LEDs. And then here I did a bit different. A small shower in the, sorry, can't see me. Small shower in the corner, toilet. Love the giant big, that's bluestone from Belgium. And then if maybe you can see if I come here and just go in the corner, a bathtub, because some renters with small children love to have a bathtub. And again, I put this the same stone, I don't know if you recognize from the entrance. And I put it at the entrance here, and also you'll see in the last room, which was ultimately just a storage room, and I didn't know what to do with it. Now, we're gonna walk into here. This is super important if you're doing Airbnb. Little area, private, lock it, and here's all the personal stuff. So when you walk into here, sorry, it's a bit of a mess, but you have ski clothing, ski boots, gear, I mean, just kids' toys, I mean, paint. You have the skis up here, all the helmets, and just some extra towels and things. So super convenient. You know, you don't have to keep bringing shampoo and everything. You just leave it here. And then this last room was, I didn't know, it was just a storage. It was just raw concrete, and I had enough material, so I just decided to make it a bit into just a fitness room, like you can see here. So put the stone on the wall, the same top, the blue stone tile style. Put some mirrors up just to open it up because it was a bit dark. It happens to be I have a baby bed here because some people want a baby bed, and so you can just see. And it's just better to have one installed, always ready, and then we just, you know, we clean it before people come. We change the sheets, and then they have a bed and they can put it wherever they want. So and then we came downstairs. What did we see? We saw the bathroom in this area, some personal storage, and that room. But you have one more bedroom. So here you'll see is just same kind of style bedroom, same size. You can see these beds, modern looking beds. And here I just put this canopy. So I had a worker do just great canopy, 2 lights here, just, you know, and this has access to outside. So here on the ground floor, but you can walk right outside. And then again, always these closets just all throughout. Super practical for putting into, putting your things away. So yeah, that kind of gives you a sense. Sorry for the shakiness since I forgot my gimbal and didn't have my microphone. I wasn't really planning on doing this video, but every choice of what I did. So I'll break up this video probably, I'm not exactly sure how, and show you a little bit the before after. But you know, when you walk out here, I'm gonna walk back out the front door, and just, you can see here, you know, just you have the wrap around. If you remember the barbecue on the other side, and if you come and just, you know, if you just look out, there's Wetterhorn. It's just, again, I mean, if we just want to stand here, if you want to look at some of those beautiful mountains, in my view, in the world, I mean, seriously, I mean, that thing there, the North Face of Eiger, is just stunning. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. Again, apologize for sound. Also, I'm looking at the camera and not necessarily directly at you, so apologize for that. I hope you liked it. Amazing project. Really, so much learning, so many choices. The before after is just absolutely stunning. It's like one of my favorite places to go. So more to come. All right. Thank you, everybody.